Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll cover the basics of Snapchat. So if you are a new user for Snapchat and don't know how to use Snapchat, this video is for you. Let's begin with the beginner's guide to Snapchat. So first of all, open your Snapchat app, and then once you've created an account, first of all, before you can send snaps, you need to make friends. So to make friends, tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen and then tap on add friends. After that, you can find friends by typing their name over here, or you can also search them in your quick add. So you can just scroll down and send friend requests. Now that you have friends, I'll show you how you can send them a photo or a video. To take a photo, just tap on this circle right here and then it will take a photo, and then you can add various effects such as text, and then you also have the brush icon. After that, you have the stickers icon where you can choose all sorts of stickers, and there are many more options like these. And once you're done with your snap, tap send to, and remember one thing. Not only you can send snaps to the person, you could also add the snap to your story. Or you could also do both. Tap on my story, then tap on the friends you want to send the snap to. And once you tap send, it will add the snap to your story as well as send your snap to your friends. Now let's talk about sending a video. So go back to the camera, and now instead of tapping on the circle, press and hold. And then as you can see, it is taking a video. And once you press and hold, the video will start. But for now, let me mute the video. Since my video is pretty boring, which is just a black background, and once you've captured a video, all of the options are almost the same as your photo snap. And now, the same while sending. You can either add it to your story, send it to your friends, or both. So for now, we'll simply send the snap to our friends only. And there you go. You have successfully sent a photo and a video to your friends on Snapchat. Now let's talk about creating a Bitmoji. Bitmoji are these icons right here in front of a name, which you can create your own. So to create those, tap on your profile on the top left corner of the screen and then scroll down and tap on the option create Bitmoji. And now you can start creating a Bitmoji. You can adjust the face size, skin tone, hairstyle, facial hair, eyes, eyebrows, and all sort of things, glasses, lips, ears. You could also change your body type, dress, and all sort of stuffs. So that is how you create a Bitmoji. That is all for this beginner's guide on how to use Snapchat. If you want a more in-depth guide on how to use Snapchat, we have a separate video on that. You can check that video out on our channel. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe.